Hi, I'm Joy with Unexpected Atlanta. We are the #1 Atlanta activity on TripAdvisor with over 1,400 five-star TripAdvisor reviews. So we hope that you'll join us on one of our amazing upcoming food or history tours. But in the meantime, we're sharing some of our favorite things to do in Atlanta for 2023. And if you've never visited the Martin Luther King Jr. National Historic Park, you need to make this the year that you explore this important part of Atlanta's history. Located in the Old Fourth Ward neighborhood, this historic site is home to the King Center and the resting places of Dr. and Mrs. King. You can come here to learn about their lives and honor their legacies. Or for a more in-depth experience honoring Dr. King's life, you can join Unexpected Atlanta on our King Historic District Tour, where you will see historic Ebenezer Baptist Church and walk the streets that Dr. King himself walked, all while learning about the people and places that influenced Dr. King. And while you're in the Old Fourth Ward, you can also check out other important sites like the Jimmy Carter Presidential Library and Museum. Plus, you can explore parks like the historic Fourth Ward Park and the nearby skate park. You can even shop and dine at Ponce City Market and Krog Street Market. And of course, you can walk, run, or bike along the paved Beltline East Side Trail nearby. Little Five Points is Atlanta's neighborhood for everything alternative. This eclectic area is filled with unique shops, restaurants and dive bars, live music, and a truly authentic vibe. One of our favorite spots is the Junkman's Daughter for unexpected clothing, keepsakes, and gifts. Plus, check out the locally owned and operated record store, Criminal Records, for all of your musical needs. Then for thrifting, you can head over to Psycho Sisters in Ragorama, where you're sure to score some unexpected treasures. And after a day of shopping and sightseeing, head over to the Vortex for burgers and brews, if you're over the age of 21, that is. Their no-nonsense attitude and iconic skull-shaped entrance make this a well-known landmark. Some other great restaurants include Savage Pizza, Corner Tavern, Elmire, Fox Brothers Barbecue, Wrecking Bar Brew Pub, and so many others. You can even catch a live theater performance at Seven Stages or Horizon Theater Company. And for live music, head over to Variety Playhouse for a concert. Their 2023 shows include legends like Eric Johnson and Amy Ray, among a wide variety of other acts. There's really so much to see, eat, and do in Little Five, as the locals call it. It's pretty much worth a whole day to explore. And if you're interested in counterculture, you'll find tons of street art and street musicians in Little Five Points and at the Krog Street Tunnel just a mile away. You can also head to the Cabbagetown neighborhood a bit further to see some murals that were created by local artists and the Forward Warrior Project. For more Atlanta fun in 2023, head downtown to visit the Georgia Aquarium. With over 11 million gallons of water and all kinds of sea life, this spot is worth a visit whether you're a tourist or a local. Plus, the Georgia Aquarium is open 365 days a year, making it a great spot to take out-of-town guests on holidays. One of the newest additions to the aquarium is called Sharks, Predators of the Deep. And this is one of the largest and most dynamic shark exhibits in all of North America. Head here to be mesmerized by what's underneath the waves and to make lifelong memories. Then you can visit Centennial Olympic Park for a picnic or to toss a ball or frisbee around. This 22-acre green space serves as a lasting reminder of the 1996 Olympic Games hosted in Atlanta. While you're downtown, you can also check out the National Center for Civil and Human Rights, the CNN Center, the World of Coca-Cola, the Chick-fil-A College Football Hall of Fame, the Skyview Ferris wheel, and so much more. Zoo Atlanta is also nearby in the Grant Park neighborhood. And speaking of the Grant Park neighborhood, come and take our Grant Park food walk to explore this neighborhood's food and history. On our tour, you'll taste 8 Southern-inspired fusion dishes while hearing fascinating stories about Atlanta throughout the years. This tour also includes a walk through historic Oakland Cemetery, where many noteworthy Atlantans have been laid to rest, And for more of the best Atlanta ideas and inspiration, including countless ideas for things to do in 2023, head on over to unexpectedatlanta.com, where you can browse our blog posts filled with Atlanta activities and see all of our upcoming walking tours. And if you want to stay in the know with more fun Atlanta happenings, be sure to hit that like and subscribe buttons to follow along. Hey, thanks so much for joining us, and we'll see you around.